I'm Diego Bertaccini. I'm part of Merck AG Darmstadt, Germany, actually based in VW, into the Biotech Development Center, where we develop and produce biotechnology products for clinical and preclinical trials. Myself, I'm a mass spectrometry scientist, and also I'm part of the global analytical development team, where we do support with analytical chemistry and mass spec the process dev. Right after the university, I got the great opportunities of doing an internship in a biopharma. It was Merck Serono back at that time. And I understood that that was what I wanted to do, or where I wanted to be impactful. Around 20 years ago, there was much more what chemistry happening, much more tedious work. Automation, it's really helpful. It's really changed the everyday life of a scientist in a biotech. Clearly, there is more time to dedicate to the data treatment, to the investigation, to better understand our result. There is also less variability induced by human error, human manipulation. Clearly, robots always pipette better than a human, and the robot has no bad days. We do have plenty of different suppliers. We always choose what we think is best, but Merck heavily invested in automation lately. We selected Waters for all chromatographic system, and then also for introducing mass spec into regulated environment. We selected the BioAccord system. We also have QTOFs, plenty of different Waters equipment. It's always a great collaboration. What I like most in the way that Waters does business is that Waters has always been extremely focused on the need of biopharma. So today I just presented a few slides about the MAM deployment into regulated environment, into QC. So nowadays MAM, it is a kind of a well-known technology that all biotech has been using it, but not that many managed to deploy it in the QC. So I presented the main challenges that Merck has been experiencing and how we plan to overcome these in order to streamline the very same method from research to market by using the Waters BioAccord system. In order to go into QC, you need to have a mass spec that is robust enough. So this the BioAccord does, and also you need a digital package for what concerns the data treatment and the software, especially in terms of data integrity, that need to be compliant with the regulated environment. And once again, the peptide map application, it's really designed for this. We do hope a lot that automation and maybe one day artificial intelligence together, they will help us in really having more time devoted to science, less time devoted to doing over and over the same analysis every day.